Hello, today I'm not cooking, I'm not sewing, I'm not painting fabric, I'm cleaning, and I'm going to kind of like cheat to clean the glass on this door. I'm using Windex with the vinegar. You can certainly use Dawn and vinegar, which is great. So I sprayed that. You're going to put a microfiber towel, tuck it in on a Swiffer, and just clean it like that. If you're short, this really helps. And you know, after you're going to use a clean cloth, a clean dry cloth, to buff it. So I'm doing outside this person's windows of their house today before winter comes. You know, you want to clean everything. Now over here is a smaller window. The ones inside, they do flip out, but the outside one is the one I want to get. And you see how nice that is. Sometimes you need a second application if they're really, really dirty. And again, you just get a clean microfiber cloth. If you use a bath towel that's recycled, it gets lint. Sorry, doing this one-handed. Now I like these Swiffer mops, and I'm not going to pay for the refills either. I use the microfiber cloth. You can use a tea towel, a dish towel. Just make sure when you dry it, it's clean. So that's my cheap way of cleaning windows. I'm not paying $100, but I would charge $100. I'm just joking. But try to do these little things yourself. Make it easy, and thank you for watching.